Tired of buying or selling stocks at whatever price the market gives you? If you want more control over your trade executions, you're not alone. Today, we're placing a limit order on Fidelity. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay for a stock when buying, or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. Step 1. Choose Limit in the trade ticket. When you go to trade a stock or ETF in Fidelity, change the order type from Market to Limit. You'll see new fields appear for your limit price. Step 2. Set your price and duration. Enter the price per share at which you want your trade to execute. Then, choose a time in force, like day, good for the trading day only, or GTC, good till cancelled, which lasts for 60 days. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use limit orders for volatile stocks and after-hours trading. Market orders can execute at surprising prices when a stock is moving fast. A limit order protects you from this. They're also essential for extended hours trading, where spreads can be much wider. So, just like that, you're trading like a pro with precise control over your entry and exit points. Using limit orders goes a long way in managing your trading costs and strategy. Now I'm curious, do you usually use market orders or limit orders for your trades? Why? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.